Good evening everyone. This is Aniket Sen. I am from Devas Vijayanagar School, Saraswati Vidya Mandir. I am coming before you to talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence at current time it is the rapidly growing and most fascinating and evolving fields at that time. And artificial intelligence in the computer science it is the main root branch of the computer science, which will make the main part of the or at the future, and it will generate the main kinds of facilities like problem solvings and analyzing, and it will creates the human access mimic, and it will create many kinds of functionalities and generating AIs like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude, and various types of AI are present at current time, which makes the great role in our future, and it in a software industry it will create a good opportunity to the youth, and for our Indian prosperity it will creates a. There are four types of artificial intelligence, like first one is reactive machines, which is totally based on the basic AI which performs the first only one task, and like IBM's Blue, which defeated the chess Kasparov. And the second one is limited memory AI, which performs the various kinds of tasks at one time, and at current time very all types of AI present comes into the in this category, like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude AI. And there remaining three category of AI, like mind theory of AI, and super species AI, which is the science fiction AI present in the science fiction and science theory. It will comes ongoing on a searching period, and it becomes the future of the current generation. So that's it. Thank you.